How to Improve Decision-Making Power, a Stoicism Guide. Introduction. In a world filled with constant challenges and choices, mastering the art of decision-making is crucial for a fulfilling life. How to Improve Decision-Making Power, a Stoicism Guide, invites you on a transformative journey inspired by the ancient philosophy of Stoicism. This book is not just a guide, it's a companion for those seeking to enhance their decision-making abilities through emotional intelligence and resilience. Decisions are like building blocks that shape our lives. They're the choices we make every day, big or small, that determine where we end up. Picture them as the steering wheel of our journey, guiding us through twists and turns. The importance of decision-making isn't just about picking one option over another, it's about embracing the power we have to create our story. Decision-making is our superhero cape against the uncertainty of life. It's what turns dreams into reality and challenges into triumphs. Imagine it as a compass that helps us navigate the vast landscape of possibilities. These choices not only reflect who we are, but also shape who we're becoming. Stoicism, with its roots in ancient Greece, offers timeless wisdom for navigating the complexities of life. This guide will walk you through 15 chapters, each designed to unlock the secrets of Stoic principles and empower you to make decisions with clarity, confidence, and emotional intelligence. Pay attention, please. Your support means everything to us. Subscribing to our channel is like becoming part of a big, friendly family, and hitting that like button, it's like giving us a virtual hug, telling us you enjoy what we're doing. So join our family by subscribing, and let's keep spreading those positive vibes together. Thanks for being amazing. Let's move on. 1. Embracing Stoicism, a path to inner strength. In the first chapter, we delve into the essence of Stoicism and its relevance in the modern world. Explore the foundational principles that lay the groundwork for enhancing your decision-making power. Discover how embracing Stoicism can lead to inner strength, resilience, and a profound understanding of the choices life presents. Stoicism teaches us that true power lies not in controlling external events, but in mastering our responses. Learn to cultivate a Stoic mindset that empowers you to face life's uncertainties with courage and tranquility. This chapter sets the stage for a transformative journey towards improved decision-making. 2. Understanding the power of mindfulness. In the second chapter, we explore the profound impact of mindfulness on decision-making. Dive into the emotional fabric of your thoughts and feelings, learning how mindfulness, a cornerstone of Stoicism, can sharpen your focus and deepen your connection with the present moment. Discover the emotional nuances that influence your choices. By cultivating mindfulness, you gain the ability to observe your emotions without being overwhelmed by them. Unravel the layers of your consciousness, fostering a heightened self-awareness that becomes a guiding light in the decision-making process. Embrace the beauty of living in the now, as this chapter unveils the emotional reservoir that mindfulness taps into, enriching your decision-making power with clarity and purpose. 3. The wisdom of acceptance. Navigating life's challenges. Moving forward, the third chapter delves into the transformative power of acceptance. Explore the emotional landscape of facing challenges with a Stoic mindset as you learn to embrace difficulties without succumbing to despair. Discover the emotional resilience that comes from accepting the things you cannot change. Stoicism teaches us to navigate the storms of life with grace, understanding that true strength lies in our capacity to accept and adapt. This chapter empowers you to harness the emotional strength that arises from embracing life's challenges, transforming them into opportunities for growth. As you immerse yourself in the wisdom of acceptance, feel the emotional weight of burdens being lifted, providing a clearer path for confident and well-grounded decision-making. 4. Cultivating emotional resilience. Chapter 4 explores the emotional terrain of resilience. Stoicism is not about suppressing emotions but mastering them. Uncover the strength within vulnerability and learn to channel emotions into a powerful force for resilience. Feel the emotional charge as you discover practical techniques to build emotional resilience. Stoicism provides a framework for acknowledging emotions, understanding their source, and responding with wisdom. Cultivate a resilience that fortifies your decision-making process, allowing you to navigate uncertainties with courage and emotional intelligence. In this chapter, the emotional tone shifts from vulnerability to strength as you become a master of your emotional landscape, ready to face decisions with newfound resilience. 5. The art of rational thinking, a Stoic perspective. As we embark on Chapter 5, let the emotional resonance of rational thinking guide you. Stoicism invites you to explore the profound connection between emotions and reason. Feel the empowerment that comes from aligning your emotions with rationality, fostering a harmonious balance that enhances your decision-making prowess. Experience the emotional liberation that arises when you untangle yourself from irrational fears and anxieties. This chapter unfolds the Stoic perspective on cultivating a clear, rational mind, a powerful tool for making decisions free from the grip of impulsive emotions. Immerse yourself in the emotional freedom that rational thinking provides, paving the way for decisions grounded in logic and wisdom. 6. Finding clarity in chaos, Stoic practices for decision-making. In Chapter 6, embrace the emotional journey of finding clarity in the midst of chaos. Stoicism offers practical tools and practices that act as emotional anchors in turbulent times. Feel the calm that arises as you learn to navigate through life's storms with Stoic resilience. Discover the emotional stability that comes from adopting Stoic practices. From journaling to reflective meditation, each practice becomes a compass, guiding you toward clarity in decision-making. This chapter provides a sanctuary of emotional balance in the chaos of life, ensuring your choices are made from a place of calm introspection. Let the emotional echoes of tranquility resonate within as you explore Stoic practices designed to enhance your decision-making clarity. 7. Building mental toughness through Stoic principles. Chapter 7 invites you to explore the emotional terrain of building mental toughness. Stoicism, at its core, is about forging inner strength that withstands the trials of life. Feel the emotional transformation as you develop resilience, perseverance, and a Stoic mindset. Uncover the emotional grit within you as Stoic principles become the cornerstone of your mental fortitude. This chapter empowers you to confront challenges with a newfound emotional toughness, ensuring that your decisions are anchored in a resilient spirit that thrives in adversity. As you delve into building mental toughness, feel the emotional shift from vulnerability to a robust strength that defines the Stoic path to decision-making mastery. 8. Turning obstacles into opportunities, Stoic strategies. Chapter 8 unfolds the emotional alchemy of turning obstacles into opportunities. In the crucible of Stoic philosophy, challenges become the raw material for personal growth. Feel the emotional empowerment as you learn to transform setbacks into stepping stones, cultivating a mindset that sees possibilities in every adversity. Experience the emotional resilience that arises from adopting Stoic strategies. This chapter guides you through the process of reframing challenges, allowing you to approach decision-making with a mindset that thrives on turning obstacles into opportunities. Let the emotional triumph of resilience resonate within you as you embrace the transformative power of Stoic strategies in your decision-making journey. 9. The role of virtue in decision-making. In Chapter 9, explore the emotional significance of virtue in decision-making. Stoicism emphasizes the pursuit of virtuous living as the foundation for a meaningful life. Feel the emotional elevation as you align your choices with principles of wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Experience the emotional fulfillment that comes from making decisions rooted in virtue. This chapter invites you to reflect on the emotional resonance of living a life guided by ethical principles, ensuring that your choices contribute to personal integrity and a sense of purpose. As you delve into the role of virtue, let the emotional depth of noble decision-making inspire you on the path to a more meaningful and fulfilled life. 10. Stoic ethics in everyday choices. Chapter 10 invites you to explore the emotional fabric of everyday choices through the lens of Stoic ethics. Feel the emotional weight of small decisions as you discover how each choice contributes to the tapestry of your character. Experience the emotional empowerment that arises from aligning your daily decisions with Stoic virtues. This chapter illuminates the path to ethical living, where even the seemingly insignificant choices become opportunities for personal growth and virtue. Immerse yourself in the emotional richness of ethical decision-making, understanding that the small choices shape the larger narrative of your life. 11. Balancing emotions, a Stoic approach. In Chapter 11, feel the emotional equilibrium as we explore the art of balancing emotions through the Stoic approach. Stoicism encourages neither the suppression nor the indulgence of emotions, but a harmonious balance. Experience the emotional serenity that comes from navigating the ebb and flow of feelings with wisdom and poise. Discover the emotional intelligence embedded in the Stoic philosophy, allowing you to acknowledge and understand your emotions without being overwhelmed. This chapter unveils practical techniques to achieve emotional balance, ensuring that your decisions are not swayed by the turbulence of unchecked feelings. Let the emotional harmony of a Stoic approach guide you as you master the delicate dance between reason and emotion in the realm of decision-making. 12. The Stoic way to effective communication. Chapter 12 delves into the emotional realm of communication. Experience the power of the Stoic way in fostering effective and empathetic communication. Feel the emotional resonance as you discover how Stoic principles can enhance your ability to express yourself authentically and connect with others. Explore the emotional depth of mindful communication, where words become instruments of understanding and empathy. This chapter empowers you to approach conversations with clarity, sincerity, and emotional intelligence, ensuring that your decisions are communicated with impact and empathy. Immerse yourself in the emotional tapestry of effective communication, where the Stoic way becomes a guiding light in building meaningful connections. 13. Mindful leadership, applying Stoicism in decision-making. Chapter 13 invites you into the emotional landscape of mindful leadership. Experience the transformative power of Stoicism in the realm of decision-making as a leader. Feel the emotional weight of responsibility and the empowerment that comes from leading with virtue, wisdom, and compassion. Discover the emotional resilience needed to navigate the challenges of leadership, guided by Stoic principles. This chapter illuminates the path to becoming a mindful leader, making decisions that inspire trust, foster collaboration, and contribute to the greater good. As you step into the role of a mindful leader, feel the emotional impact of Stoic wisdom shaping your decisions and influencing those around you. 14. Stoic rituals for improved decision-making. Chapter 14 takes you on an emotional journey through Stoic rituals designed to enhance decision-making. Feel the emotional resonance of incorporating purposeful practices into your daily life, cultivating a sense of mindfulness and intentionality. Experience the emotional depth of rituals that connect you with Stoic principles, providing moments of reflection and clarity. This chapter guides you through practical rituals that become anchors in the tumultuous sea of choices, fostering a sense of calm and purpose in decision-making. Let the emotional significance of Stoic rituals infuse your life, transforming the mundane into meaningful moments that shape the quality of your decisions. 15. Mastering the art of decision-making, a Stoic guide. In the final chapter, embark on the emotional culmination of your journey toward mastering the art of decision-making. Feel the triumph of self-discovery and growth as you integrate Stoic principles into the fabric of your being. Experience the emotional empowerment that arises from cultivating a Stoic mindset. This chapter serves as a guidepost, illuminating the path to confident, wise, and emotionally intelligent decision-making. Celebrate the transformation within as you emerge with a newfound ability to navigate life's choices with grace and purpose. As you conclude this Stoic guide, let the emotional echoes of resilience, wisdom, and virtue resonate within you, shaping a future where your decisions reflect the very best of your character. Conclusion. As we reach the conclusion of how to improve decision-making power, a Stoicism guide. Let the emotions stirred within you be a testament to the transformative journey you've undertaken. This is not merely the end of a book, it's a new beginning, a chapter in your life where the echoes of Stoic wisdom continue to resonate. Feel the warmth of empowerment as you reflect on the emotional evolution that has taken place within you. The pages you've turned are not just filled with words, they're imprinted with moments of self-discovery, resilience, and the profound artistry of decision-making. As you step away from these words, may the emotional echoes of Stoicism accompany you in every choice you make. May you carry the torch of wisdom, virtue, and emotional intelligence, illuminating the path ahead with the clarity and purpose that this Stoic guide has bestowed upon you. So, let's celebrate the emotional roller coaster of decision-making, the thrill of taking a chance, and the responsibility that comes with it. In the grand adventure of life, decisions are the emotional milestones, the building blocks of our identity. They're not just choices, they're the heartbeats that make our story uniquely ours. Embrace the journey, savor the emotions, and remember, the power to make life-changing decisions lies within you. May your path be adorned with the beauty of mindful choices, and may the emotional tapestry of your life be woven with threads of Stoic resilience and grace. Thanks for watching this video.